Today is day 4 in Iceland. The day begins at a black sand beach just outside our cottage in Vik. Covered in deep black sand, this beach is known for its unpredictable waves. Today, the warning light is yellow. So instead of getting closer, I stand back and quietly watch. When watching videos of Iceland, I often see aerial shots of braided rivers filmed by drones. Across a wide riverbed filled with sand and gravel, glacial water splits again and again, creating a landscape that feels almost deliberate. I had hoped, quietly, to see a river like this someday. And here it was, appearing unexpectedly along the road. Compared to Gullfoss, which we saw 2 days ago, Skogafoss feels more classical in form. Balanced, orderly, and complete. A waterfall without excess or flaw. It is popular because you can walk close to the base. But with light rain falling today, getting that close would mean getting completely soaked. Only about 5 minutes from Skogafoss, Kvernfoss feels surprisingly quiet. The path through the gorge continues for a while, and with each step, the sound of the waterfall grows clearer. For nearly half an hour, it felt as though Iceland had opened this place just for those of us who were there. Seljalandsfoss was a place I had always wanted to visit. Ideally, I wanted to see it lit by the evening sun. But with light rain today, that seemed unlikely. So I came now, during this brief break in the clouds. Compared to the waterfalls I had seen so far, Seljalandsfoss felt more feminine, softer, and quietly gentle. Even without the sunset, the beauty was still there. This strange landscape was shaped by lava flowing from a volcano. The eruption that created it is said to have lasted for nearly 8 months, with lava continuing to pour out during that time. Standing here, it is not difficult to imagine how patient and persistent the Earth can be. We arrived at the parking area for Fjarðargljúfur. Beyond the flat plain, a sudden crack opens in the land. This is Fjarðargljúfur. The plain itself is a lava field, and over time, massive amounts of glacial meltwater carve through its weaker layers, creating this dramatic canyon. In Iceland, volcanoes and glaciers work together, shaping landscapes far more varied than I had imagined. Turning the car back toward Vik, I notice the clouds breaking on the western horizon. Distant mountains are becoming visible. Perhaps sunlight will reach Seljalandsfoss. It is 4 p.m. now. The waterfall is still 1 hour and 40 minutes away. But with even a small hope like that, it feels worth trying. Rain. But ahead, I can see a patch of clear sky. Arriving at Seljalandsfoss once again, I look back along the path. Here, the clouds had opened and sunlight was reaching the land. There were people, but not many, each walking with a little space between them. As I moved toward the waterfall and began to walk behind it, the light did exactly what it was meant to do. It was simply there to see it. It was more beautiful than I had expected. For a while, everything seemed to settle into place.